my favorite salmon recipe.
Today I'm using some tandoori powder from Indian store. Preheat the skillet on high heat with some olive oil. Place the salmon skin side down and cook for 4 minutes.
Feel free to garnish it with grilled onions.
Let them cook on the other side for 3 minutes. If the fish is thick and big and you're worried about undercooking it, you can cover it. When salmon is ready, take it out of the pan.
Voila! I love garnishing it with lots of grilled onion and some lemon juice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more recipes.